Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit the Classic Auto Mall website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you would like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's safe, easy, and convenient. Plus, we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media. Classic Auto Mall is located in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, 1 hour west of Philadelphia, right off the turnpike. The Classic Auto Mall is open to the public if you want to see our huge selection of vehicles or talk to a car specialist about buying or selling a car. Visit our website at classicautomall.com for business hours and directions.